Hey y'all, you're watching Portie's Garage. We're getting to the last leg of our Copart Saturn Vue restoration here, and that is topping off with some new fluids. So we're gonna go ahead and do an oil change. Let's check it out. All right guys, here we are underneath the Saturn here. We did remove the wheel, but that's just to make the video a little clearer. You do not need to do this if you're doing it yourself. So here we are underneath the car. We've got our drain plug right here. That's gonna be 17 millimeter. And then conveniently located right next door is our oil filter. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this plug out, let the oil drain, take the filter out, and we'll get ready to start putting it back together. Hey, hot tip for all you DIYers at home. Make sure your jack stand isn't in the way of your oil drain plug, otherwise you're gonna have a mess on your hands. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get this oil filter. She's draining now. Time to put the new oil filter on. We're going with Fram. This is the PH7317 Extra Guard series. And before we go ahead and put it on, we're always gonna put a little bit of oil on the filter here. And another one, make sure that the O-ring from the old oil filter is not still in there. So if we look right here, you can see we got the whole O-ring. We're in good shape. We can feel around and test just to make sure. And nothing there. So let's go ahead and get this new one on. To do anything crazy tight. We just want to make sure it's not falling off while we're driving down. Bam! Last step before we go up to the top, start refilling with oil. Make sure you got your oil drain plug torqued down. This one's 29 foot-pounds. Let's get her torqued. All right guys, here we are, last step, putting the oil back in the engine. This Saturn Vue with the 3.5 liter V6 calls for 5W20 motor oil, 4.5 quarts of that. And we've got our filler is right here, so we can go ahead and pop that off. It even says right here, 5W20, so you know we're doing something right here. Get that funnel set. And we're gonna pour most of this in, not all of it. This is 5 quarts, we only need 4.5, so we'll pour it in, get to a comfortable level. We'll let the Saturn idle for a little while, test the oil level, which is right here. Make sure we're good, and if not, add a little more, and we'll see what happens. Try not to spill anymore. Bit to go. That's about 3.75 quarts. So there we go. That'll be about our 4.5 quarts. And just do some testing, make sure we got it dialed in right. All right, we let the Saturn idle here for a little while. Now it's time to check our oil levels. Look at that, we're right in the zone. About halfway there. All right, that'll do it for this oil change. I think we got fresh juices in here. We're ready to hit the road. Hey, if you like what you saw, hit us with a like and subscribe. Until next time. Not doing well. The perils of trying to video while you're doing it. I think we just let that drain and then take the filter out. Yeah.